It's great to see your business growing. To help you keep that momentum, we're going to show you how to bring all your Google Ads accounts into one organized home. In the next 90 seconds, you'll learn a simple one-click setup and a bulk linking shortcut that makes managing multiple accounts easier. First, let's get those accounts connected. Sign in to your manager account, select the account's icon, and hit Sub-Account Settings. Tap the plus button and select Link Existing Account. Now, just enter the 10-digit customer ID for the account you want to link to your account. Pro tip: to link multiple accounts at once, just enter one ID per line. It's that simple. You can also select a different manager account to link this Google Ads account to. Hit Send Request to fire off the invite. To finalize the account linking, the invited account needs to accept the link request. If you have access to the invited account, head to Admin, then Access and Security, and select the Managers tab. You'll see the pending request right there. Just click Accept to sync them up. Remember that time saver I mentioned? You can accept or decline dozens of requests at once. In your manager account, go to Accounts, Sub-Account Settings. Then go to Received Link Requests at the top of the page. Select the box in front of the accounts and use the blue bulk action bar to approve or decline all the link requests in one go. If you ever send a request to the wrong ID, don't worry, you have total control. Go back to the Sub-Accounts Settings page, then Sent Link Requests. In the Actions column, you can withdraw the link request. That's it! You can now view and manage multiple ads accounts, including other manager accounts, from a single location, leaving you more time to focus on what matters: your growth. For more tips, visit the Google Ads Help Center.